How to check Facebook account creation date. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can check your Facebook account creation date. So let's dive in. First, you have to open your Facebook app on your phone, and once you are on your Facebook app, just click these three lines on the bottom right corner. It's going to bring you to this page. On this page, you have to click Settings and Privacy and then click Settings. It's going to bring you to this page now. Now here you have to go to the Account Center. Click See More in Account Center, and then you have to scroll down and choose your information and permissions. And here you have to choose Access Your Information. And now you're going to be on this page, and here you'll get many options. Choose Personal Information. And it's going to show you your account creation date. The date you created your account was 18 Feb 2025. And you'll be able to see your creation dates for your accounts over here. Mine is 18 Feb 2025. And that's how you check your Facebook account creation date.